Do you want to kickstart your New Year resolution by making these two delicious dishes? Well, let's start cooking. Welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. I'll be showing you how to make these delicious dishes. The first dish I'll be making is Yao Choy. The second dish I'll be making would be bean sprouts with green onions. Hope you like it. Enjoy! First, you need to cut up the Yao Choy, then mince the garlic and have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay, on high heat, add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. And wait for the oil to heat up. Then add in your 1 clove of garlic. And have a 1/4 cup of water ready. So when you see the garlic turn a little brown, that's when you add your Yao Choy. You can literally hear it sizzling. Right, stir this for 2 minutes or until you see the leaves turning dark green. Okay, so the leaves are turning dark green. We then add our oyster sauce, which is 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then we'll mix this all together. For like a minute or so. Then we add our 1/4 cup of water. Okay. Let it sit in the sauce for 1 minute. Okay, switch off the fire. And just pour in the sauce. And there you have it. In order to make this dish, you have to pre-wash the bean sprouts and cut the green onions into 2-inch on pieces. High heat, add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. And wait for the oil to heat up. Then add your bean sprouts. We'll stir this for 2 minutes. Then add your green onions. And then stir fry that for another minute. It's done. Add your soy sauce and oyster sauce. For another minute. And then switch off the heat. And it's ready to serve. Bean sprouts with oyster sauce and soy sauce. If you like watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.